What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joven, and Tonic fam, Crow fam, I am back with some more bullish content for you guys. I am back with another banger of a video, and as always, I'm covering one of the best DeFi projects in the space, Tectonic. Tonic fam, I found some very interesting charts for you guys. One of them in particular that I'll be sharing in this video from James Choi. I've said it in my previous videos about a blow off top cycle, a parabolic bull run move that we've never seen the likes of before. Everything is leading more and more towards that prediction, right? And you guys won't want to miss this, okay? It's about to be absolutely insane. You better fasten your seatbelts because it's about to be absolutely crazy. It's gonna be a crazy future ahead for Crow and Tonic, guys. Once I break that down, we're also gonna cover any new updates on Tonic as well in this video. If this is something that you're interested in, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. 1,700 subscribers. Let's get to 2,000. We're super close. Hit that subscribe button, guys. Hit that notification bell. Support these videos, because the more you guys support these videos, the more they get pushed out into the algorithm. And it's, like I said, free marketing. So new and more new people, people that weren't aware of Tonic before, get to find out about the project and join the community, and become a part of the Tonic fam, become a part of the Tectonians. Also check out my Tonic playlist and my Tonic shorts as well. They're doing very great. Now, as you guys can see, Tonic is up 5.47% on the 24-hour. That is super bullish, sitting at $23.5 million in market cap. We were under just under 10 million, like 9.8, 10 million, sitting there for a minute, right? Just sideways accumulation, like I said. And then we had that spring and bounce to the upside, and this looks to be the floor for Tonic. If you think this is a bad entry right now, you might not get any lower. I'm telling you, you might not get in any lower than this market cap that we're sitting at right now. 312k in 24-hour trade volume. The trade volume is going to fluctuate back and forth. Some days it's going to be slow, some days it's going to be high, right? But what is very interesting is that we're up 5.4%, and the stock market is closed today. Let me check the dates as well. Yeah, today and tomorrow the stock market is closed, right? And we're up almost 6% on the 24-hour. That is super bullish for Tonic, right? Because when the stock market opens, like I said in my previous videos, I do think that we'll see another bullish move for Bitcoin and Ethereum, the top dogs, and Tonic, Crow and other altcoins, especially Tonic, will follow, because Tonic is a very low cap gem. Low cap gems have way more performance when we're in bullish moves, right? When we have bullish moves to the upside. As you guys can see on the 1 month, such a beautiful chart. Like I said, I can't stop saying that. We had that move and we're just continuing up further. Had a bit of a correction because you can't go up all the time, but we haven't lost this floor. We're just continuing up further and further. Now would be the time to DCA in, guys. I don't know if we'll go lower or not, but now would be a great entry if you're thinking about getting into the project, because it doesn't look to me that we'll fall any lower than we're at right now. Tonic is one of those bullish projects that has such diamond hand holders, right? Such diamond hand holders. I really thought we would have retraced the move by now. We're still holding so strong, right? Let me compare with the top dog right now. We're literally bar for bar with Bitcoin right now. As you guys can see, we're going head to head with Bitcoin. And like I said, just give Tonic one catalyst or so. Let's give Tonic some more exchange listings, right? Let's give Tonic some more news from the team. You'll see this market cap just completely get destroyed. These zeros just completely get erased. eaten alive, you know, like sharks. You throw some blood around sharks and they go insane, right? That's what we're gonna see. I'm telling you guys, man, you can't fade this project. This project is very, very bullish. Now let's check out a tweet that I have from Shango Ambo. Shout outs to Shango. I don't think anyone has given up on Tonic, available on crypto.com app and the DeFi wallet. Now, as you guys can see from here, he's going through all the passive rewards and staking pools and the APYs that you could get from Tonic, guys. A lot of y'all said I should make some tutorial videos on Tonic and the DeFi side of things. I'll definitely do that when I have the chance in the future. I'll get around to it, you know. But yeah, pretty great stuff that we see here, man. Such great passive income rewards. We know the whales love liquidity. The whales love great liquidity, right? And Tonic is providing that. So trust, mass adoption for Tonic, especially when we get the insurance fund unveiled. That utility that is coming soon on the website. Especially when we get that unveiled, expect more and more whales to start to come into the space. And, you know, take a look at DeFi, take a look at Tonic, guys. So just give it time, just diamond hand, right? SAG, crypto is risky, but the risk comes with life-changing opportunities, especially to those stuck in the wage slave grind with very little hope. Do your own research, and DCA are powerful tools. Use them wisely. Do your own research and DCA. What do I say in my videos constantly? DCA, right? They are powerful tools. Use them wisely. Never lose infinite hope. Because this is the thing. There's he's trending right now on Twitter. Crypto Capo. He's trending right now on Twitter. Oh my goodness. So this is the tweet I saw from Crypto Capo. He's like super bearish, right? Now he sticks to his convictions no matter what. 1.5 million views. He's top trending right now for you know, my timeline. And he said, I've been checking charts all this time, avoiding noise from Twitter, the way the upward movement is happening, the way the HTF resistances are being tested. It clearly looks manipulated, no real demand. Once again, the biggest bull trap I've ever seen, but they won't trap me. Now this is the thing, I read it, I was like, okay, he hasn't changed his stance on the market being bearish, right? He hasn't changed his stance that we'll probably go, after this move, we might start to go lower once again. But how is he so certain of that? Now, if he's right, it doesn't matter, because you've been DCAing into Tonic and, you know, projects that you love, whatever projects they may be, right? So yeah, you've been DCAing into Tonic. Even if we go lower, you just DCA whatever, you know, you can afford to lose. Obviously, manage your risk every week, every 2 weeks. That's the smartest way to buy into crypto. So even if we do go lower, it doesn't affect you that much, right? Because he could be wrong. He's trending right now, 16,900 tweets. He could be wrong. He could be wrong, and we could just continue up further and go into the bull run. That's what could happen. It's it's literally a flip of a coin. A lot of people will miss their opportunity if he's wrong, and this is not a bull trap. If this is literally the start of the bull run, a lot of people will miss their opportunity and create a FOMO wave. A FOMO wave meaning we just continue up. We're continuing up, and everyone that was on the sidelines, all that money, let me show you guys real quick, all the money in the stable coins, in you know, Tether right now, $66 billion in Tether, $43 billion in USD, $16 billion in BUSD, right? There's a lot of money still sitting on the sidelines. If Capo is wrong, because he's one of the lead bears right now, and there's a lot of other bears that think we're gonna go lower. If he is wrong and we continue up further, we're gonna create a FOMO wave, and all that money on the sidelines, they're just gonna buy in, FOMO in, pushing us up further, which would then in turn create that blow off top. Now, who knows who's right or wrong in this situation. That's why I say to always DCA, guys. So let me get your thoughts on that in the comment section. I'm really interested. From Cronos NFT, not so bad for a month increase, and we see the Tectonic chart moving to the upside. I love how the Tonic community is super active as always, guys. Like so many people that are engaged in the Tonic community. You love to see it. This is how a project gets the word out. Buy Tonic, you're going to get rich from JB Trades. It's that simple. It's really that simple. No overthinking it, guys. Got the sauce. Just imagine when Tonic gets started to get listed on other exchanges. Don't forget, no one really has listed Tonic beside crypto.com and Hotbit, so let that sink in for a minute or two. Guys, think about that, guys. There's so much potential new investors that Tonic could get, because we are not listed on much other exchanges at all. KuCoin, Gate.io, Huobi, Binance, Coinbase, Kraken. These are the exchanges that could still happen for Tonic in the future. And who would rule that out? I wouldn't. I definitely wouldn't, because anything is possible in crypto, right? And Tonic is such a great project. Community is so strong. Team is definitely delivering. It's just a matter of time. From Trillion, Tectonic, Tonic, best new crypto. Hurry, it's early. Completely agree with you on that one. From James Short, this is the chart I was telling you guys about. Financial conditions versus XPX for the last 12 years suggest that we're not going to crash now. We're getting to a final push up in risk assets to draw in all retail investors back to the market, which would then coincide with what I've been saying about the blow off top and all the charts that I showed you guys in previous videos about the blow off top that could potentially happen. We are getting to a final push up in risk assets to draw in all retail investors back to the market. When do people in crypto like to buy? If you've been in crypto long enough, when do people in crypto like to buy crypto? When they see green. When they see huge green candles, that's when they love to buy. They don't like to buy red. They hate buying red. They hate buying the fear. They love to buy the greed. If we continue up further and all of a sudden all these people on the sidelines start to buy in, that's gonna create a FOMO wave, guys. A FOMO wave that's going to send Tonic, crypto market, stock market absolutely parabolic. I'm telling you guys. Now, it really depends. Is crypto capital right or wrong? We'll see. I still believe that FOMO wave will happen. So, even if we do go lower, you're DCA'd in, you're not worried about it. You're holding for like the future. It doesn't matter to you. Now, we continue up further and all of those people on the sidelines miss their opportunity and start FOMOing in around 35k, 40k, 50k Bitcoin. Oh man, it's already too late for y'all. We were already buying when Bitcoin was at 20k, 22k, 90k, right? We're chilling. So, Tonic fam, Crow fam, thank you guys so much for watching. As always, if you made it to this far in the video, enjoy the video. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. If this is your first time hearing about the project, let me get your thoughts in the comment section as well. Everything Tonic and myself is in the description, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.